What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Shizzy Mac,
and your girl Chi Lovely,
and we back with another banger, man. Listen, I'm not making the intro long at all. Just know if you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, join the buff, and want to roll to 10K. If you already subscribed, smash out the like button, leave a comment. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it at all. But if you do have anything nice to say, all I want to see is Team Shizzy Mac, Team Chi Lovely, or Team Belt Family, or Team Shizzy Mac and Chi Lovely in the comment section, because we're coming hard. I promised y'all, and I told you we're giving y'all 6 videos today. That's exactly what we did. We gave y'all 6 videos in one day. You know what I'm saying? That's what we're doing. We're small YouTubers. We're doing this for fun. You know what I'm saying? We're doing this because this is what we like to do. But as you can tell by the title of the thumbnail, we about to be calling family and friends, moaning on the phone, and just banging on them. You know what I'm saying? Or couple of them might get their reactions to see like, who the hell is this? This is about to be hilarious, y'all.
We're gonna see who picks up.
Yeah, we're gonna see who picks up for real. Because we call them block. But this is about to be hilarious, y'all. I promise this is about to be hilarious. So we're not gonna make the intro too long. You ready? Stop?
Yeah.
Ready to get it? Listen, when I said we probably get cursed out, we might get cursed out, but we about to get into this video. So we'll see y'all when the video start.
6, 2, 1, right?
Just say anything wrong.
Yeah, but I gotta start 67 it.
I know, just go back to it, just so you can see it.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, first, she's calling
Mom.
her 3. Last person we call is my father-in-law.
But he's gonna be making the noises, y'all.
Yeah.
We she's about to say something. Oh my god, you out of pocket. Alright. Macho.
She about to call her little bird. She called me like
3, 4, 5. What you saying?
Yo, when did she call back?
She can't. You ready?
The person you have dialed is not able to receive calls at this time.
Sucks.
Oh no, I'm calling back.
The person you have dialed is not able to receive calls at this time.
His phone's probably off. Alright, Macho, you suck.
Yeah, Macho
lucky.
suck. He lucky.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Let's hope she picks up. Yo, she's funny. She's gonna be like, who the hell is this? Stop laughing. That's what it was, right?
Mm-mm.
Yes, it was.
Hello? You are so fucking urgent. Call me black. You want to see your kids and all? Urgent. Goodbye. Bye-bye.
I love you.
You are urgent. Why did you call me black? Your kids can fucking hear you.
Caleb.
Stop. You are urgent.
Oh, baby, I love you.
What are you doing?
You better go her back.
Not yet.
No. You gotta tell her before you call her. She called.
No, it's okay.
Hurry up, go.
It's
Call your
okay.
people.
Last person you call is my father-in-law, so I'm about to start off with my peoples.
Oh my god.
Yo, she really thought I was my brother-in-law.
trying to call him.
Please leave your message for 267.
She sucks.
Let's finish that, y'all. Oh my god. Move on.
Why do you feel like playing with my phone? Have a nice life.
You're gonna call him, go back and tell him it was you. You stupid. Okay, what you got? I'm gonna call Dad.
Wait, no, I'm not calling nobody back that I called. I don't
You're not
care.
gonna call him and tell him?
No.
Why?
I don't care what they gonna do. Beat me up.
No, just be like, it's like they gotta watch the video too. Name like, yo, what the hell? Oh, I haven't got that number right here. Is it 267 or 2?
It's 267. She might answer with an attitude, y'all. She don't like people call her. From block call. She be like, hello.
Please leave your message.
I'm calling her because I know she's seen it.
She's not gonna pick up.
Alright, y'all. So, Chichi got her last person. I gotta get my last person.
This was just for fun, y'all.
Yeah, this is content purpose only, y'all. We like getting on family nerves. Where find her number?
Go on your Instagram.
Oh, here we go. I only know because of the. Alright, y'all. I'm calling one of my favorite little cousins. It's my last person, y'all.
Hello? What the fuck is this?
You know this.
She hung up. Here, Dad, and that's it.
She was asleep. Our mother gonna be so bad. She was asleep. I don't care.
Just say it twice and I hang up. It was on speaker, stupid. Hurry up. Oh my god. Yo, you ain't shit.
Yo,
Everybody gonna be mad.
this is the end of the video, y'all. We are out.